everyone, it's Miss Amy from Camden Public Library, and it is Fire Prevention Week. And today we went to the fire station for story time, and so I want to share just a couple of fun books about fire safety and firemen and firehouses that we have at the library. This is Fire Engine Man by Andrea Zimmerman and David Clemescia, and this is I'm Brave by Kate and Jim McMullen. This is The Firehouse Light by Janet Nolan and Marie LaFance. And this is Fireman Small, Fire Down Below by Wong Herbert Yee. And those are just a few great stories that we have here at the library. And now for our craft, we are going to make these fun fire trucks. And it's super easy to do. You need 3 black circles, a ladder, which you can draw, a white square for a window, a half a circle or so for the light. Okay, so like this for the light. 1, 2, 3. A square, a ladder, a big red square, and a red rectangle. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this together. The rectangle, I'm going to put my square, so I have a glue stick. I'm going to put my square right on there so that it looks like that. And then I'm going to put 1, 2, 3 wheels on. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. There's 3 wheels. And then I need a window in my cab. There's the window in the cab, and then my ladder. And the ladder could be on the side, or you can put it right up on top, or you can turn it so that it's like that. That is up to you. I'm going to put mine right there on the side of my truck. And then on the back, I'm going to put my light so that it sticks out at the top, just like that on the back side. And when I flip it around, there it is, so that my fire truck can go wee-oo, 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 with my big fire truck wheel. And so we're gonna sing our fire truck song too. All right, get your big fire truck wheel, and here we go. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Hurry, hurry, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Hurry, hurry, turn the corner. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Hurry, hurry, climb the ladder. Ding, 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 ding. Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Hurry, hurry, squirt the water. Ding, 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 ding. Slowly, slowly, drive the fire truck. Slowly, slowly, drive the fire truck. Slowly, slowly, drive the fire truck. Ding, 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 ding. Thanks. for singing along with me. And remember, change your smoke detector batteries twice a year. Stop, drop, and roll if you get something on you. Call out if a fireman ever has to come to your house so they know where to find you. Crawl on your hands and knees to avoid the smoke to get out of your house, and have a special spot that everyone in your family knows to meet outside so you can check in with each other. Happy Fire Prevention Week. Be safe. Miss Amy.